she's just sick, baby. It's just this one chicken.
Why did Daddy did that?
Well, he's cleaning it, baby, so we can make her better.
She's breathing well.
Yeah, she's breathing okay, baby. This is her butt.
That's her butt?
Yeah.
Ew. Does she poops in her butt?
Yep.
But why she has red on her?
Because it's infected, baby. Remember, Mama told you she needs medicine?
I saw a raccoon
Mm-hmm.
bite her butt.
You saw a raccoon bite her butt?
Yeah. I tried to catch it, but it was much too fast.
It was too fast.
I tried to punch it